The Mountain That Loved a Bird by Alice Mclerran, illustrated by Aitken. For Larry, A.M., to the memory of my brother Ken, and to Sarah for protecting our birds. S.A. There was once a mountain made of bare stone. It stood alone in the middle of a desert plain. No plant grew on its hard slopes, nor could any animal, bird, or insect live there. The sun warmed the mountain, and the wind chilled it, but the only touch the mountain knew was the touch of rain or snow. There was nothing more to feel. All day and all night, the mountain looked only at the sky, watching for the moment of the billowing clouds. It knew the path of the sun that crossed the sky by day, and the course of the moon that crossed the sky by night. On clear nights, it watched the slow wheeling of the far off stars. There was nothing more to see. Let's continue the next chapter, dear children. Bye bye.